Let me begin by saying that what we are looking at is not real. These are artificial corals created by a generative AI algorithm trained with more than 100 million coral images. Across the globe, seawater is becoming less habitable due to the climate change, and the coral reefs are dying rapidly. One day, we might be only left with the simulations of corals in a virtual world. With this project, Coral Dreams, our aim is to use AI and try to create artificial realities while preserving disappearing nature. I'm a media artist and director. My team and I have been using generative AI as a collaborator for 7 years, although it feels like 70. We train machine learning algorithms by harnessing large, focused, and publicly available data sets, and visualizing what I call humanity's collective memories, such as nature, urban, and culture. Since pandemic, my focus has been to compile the largest data set and artificially preserve nature. I am optimistic about generative AI because of its potential for enhancing our memories. We as artists can utilize this potential not only to represent nature, but also to remember how it feels to be immersed in it in a digital age. Generative AI creates possibilities to train algorithms with any image, sound, text, and even scent data. For example, this is Floral Dreams, an algorithm trained with more than 75 million floral images of 16,000 species. By using more than 500,000 scent molecules, we were able to create the scent of these dreams. Now, let's please imagine a living archive that we can walk into, a universe that is constantly reimagined, reconstruct its forms, patterns, colors, and scents. Our life is becoming increasingly rooted in the digital world, and the boundaries between physical and virtual, technology and nature are blurring. Generative AI helps us to create new realities and also project onto reality through possibility space. Can we go to that space? Can we fill it with our feelings, our senses? Large language models is just the beginning of a long journey of innovations will bring more possibilities. Soon, I believe, we will be exploring hypermodels, text to image, to sound, to scent, to life. And a big challenge using generative AI in art is how to provide models with original data. For this project, Glacier Dreams, we decided not to use existing models. Instead, we decided to collect our own image, sound, scent, and climate data. By traveling to our first destination, Iceland, we were able to capture the beginning of our own narratives of glaciers. I also believe that AI's capacity can be mapped onto the complex history of human wisdom and consciousness in nature. Could we use AI to preserve and learn about ancient knowledge in nature? This was one of the first questions in my mind when I met with the wonderful leaders of Yavanava tribe in Brazil, Acre, Amazonia, in rainforest. My mentors and heroes, Chief Nishivaka and his creative force, Putani, who oversee their cultural preservation and ecological sanctuary. I became deeply inspired by their ways of learning and remembering already existing knowledge in nature. Together, we started a new project, respectful co-creation and open source AI rainforest model. With this model, generative AI can even reconstruct extinct flora and fauna based on the tribe's deep and collective knowledge. This project will help us, hopefully, to bring ancient wisdom to our society respectfully. My hope is that one day AI becomes a mirror that can reflect collective memories of all humanity. And I do believe that we can use it to bring people of any age and culture inspiration, joy, and hope. Thank you.